Hello friends, welcome to this video on how to transition from being a digital nomad to a full-time digital marketing professional. In today's world, the line between work and play is getting blurrier every day. And if you're one of the many people who have embraced this new way of life, then you know what it's like to be a digital nomad. But what happens when you want to take your career to the next level and become a full-time digital marketing professional? In this video, I'll be sharing with you some practical tips and advice on how to make this transition. Identify your skills and strengths. Take a good look at your skills and experience and identify what you're really good at. This will help you narrow down your focus and target the right job opportunities. Build your portfolio. Your portfolio is your calling card, and it's essential that you have one that showcases your work and skills. If you don't have a portfolio yet, start building one today. Networking. Networking is key in any industry, and digital marketing is no exception. Attend events, join online groups, and connect with professionals in the field to expand your network and get your name out there. Get certified. Certifications are a great way to demonstrate your expertise and knowledge in a specific area. Consider getting certified in areas such as Google AdWords or social media marketing. Keep learning. The digital marketing world is constantly evolving, so it's important that you keep learning and upskilling. Read industry blogs, attend webinars, and take online courses to stay ahead of the curve. So to conclude everything, making the transition from a digital nomad to a full-time digital marketing professional takes hard work and dedication. But with the right skills, a strong portfolio, and a willingness to network and learn, you can make this transition and kickstart your career in this exciting field. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions or would like to connect with me, please comment below. You can also find me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are in the description. See you in the next video.